Oh, hello, people. Oh, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I'm here to talk about another mode of payment, which is the crypto mode of payment. This time around, I'm talking about Bitcoin. Like the crypto I'm talking about is like USD Digital, Bitcoin Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, and lots of it more like that. So all I'm trying to do here is to show you how to open the Bitcoin. Go to this channel, then you will get the link where you can subscribe to this channel, to this Bitcoin. Bitcoin is another way of receiving payments online. With Bitcoin, you can receive cryptocurrency. You can receive and send cryptocurrency to your merchant or to someone you want to send internationally or locally. So Bitcoin is either be Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin and every other exchanges. You can just go down to blockchain.com, or you go to my link which you're going to see on this channel, and you click and you register. The registration is very easy. All you need is your name, your email address, your password, and the username. Sometimes you can just go to what is it called, the Google app, or yes, you can just go to the Google app and download the app on your phone so that you can be using it on your phone. This blockchain have a lot of advantages. Blockchain uh, advantages. From this blockchain, you can send and request for money. Some people can send you money immediately. You open this account, you get each address for each cryptocurrency, like that of Bitcoin. When you click Bitcoin on the left side of your screen, then you click request BTC. Then under it you see currency, which is this your Bitcoin currency. Where you have to receive it to is, that is my Bitcoin wallet, and this is the address you'll be giving to. This address you just click and send it to anyone who wanted to send you Bitcoin currency. So you can just receive it on your wallet here and save it. That one is that. And if you want Ethereum, just click on Ethereum, then you click on request now. Then this is your Ethereum. Also goes to the Bitcoin Cash and the Stellar. And another good thing about this blockchain is that you can get to do exchange on blockchain. Yes, like that of Forex. You can buy and sell on it, because you can just sign up, or you can use, as long you are with you are having a Bitcoin wallet and there's money inside, you can buy and sell Bitcoin at the market. You can, excuse me, you can just go to the, this is their MetaTrader, where you can see how the thing is going. When you log in, then every other information concerning the market you are going to see. This is the news about the market. This is what, if you are a professional market a trader to see, then this is what you are going to get from trading. You get the news, then you know what to trade, either to buy or to sell. And that is that and there's something else on this platform. This platform, you have Bitcoin games. If you are a lover of playing games, you can just click here, then it takes you to where you can just play a game. Yes, where when you get here, you have 10 free spin, 10 free spin. But when you spin, okay, let us try this one. Yeah, let's say he said when you do, when you take like five Bitcoin signal like this, then you get times 100 of the deposit or the spin you put there, even if you don't have anything. But for now we are using a free one, so you can get something as long as this symbol like 2 times there or 3 times. That means times 5 of what you are going to get, times 20 if it is 4, and times 100, and times 100 if it is 5 that you found there. So likewise goes to every other one here. So you can, let us try spinning this. Let us choose 2. Okay, yeah, 2 lines. Yes, let us choose 2 lines, then let's spin. Wow, that is what you get. Okay, let us take like it must be Bitcoin sign. Let us take 3 and see if the 3 will appear in these 3 lines. Let's see. Oh, we lose 3 credits. Now let us try 2 again. Oh, another one. So how do we convert this to Bitcoin? Convert coin to Bitcoin. That is it. So that is how you sign up. So to sign up, just click on my uh, on the show more button, then you see my link, then you register. So it is very easy. So the next video I'll be showing you is on Coinbase, which is another Bitcoin wallet where you can Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin coins. So hope to see you. Hope you subscribe and watch the next video. Thank you.